How to overseed with centipede grass. Centipede grass is a common, low-maintenance, fast-growing, coarse lawn grass. You can overseed with centipede grass by evenly distributing the seeds throughout the lawn area and creating future environmental conditions favorable to the growth of centipede grass. Centipede grass prefers moist, high pH soil and direct sunlight. Things you'll need: rake, centipede grass seeds, lawn lime, fertilizer, spreader, water, trimmers. Rake the lawn clear of rocks and organic debris using a flexible, metal rake. Sow the lawn with centipede grass seed using a fertilizer spreader to distribute the seeds. Use 1 to 2 pounds of seed per 1,000 square feet for reseeding a mature lawn and 3 to 4 pounds per 1,000 square feet when seeding a new area. Sprinkle a 1/12 inch layer of lawn lime over the seeds using a spreader. Lawn lime increases the pH balance of the soil over time. Cover the lime and seeds with ½ inch of peat moss or clean compost or organic fertilizer. Fertilizer promotes centipede grass growth by regulating temperature fluctuations, increasing moisture retention and adding vital minerals and nutrients to the soil. Water the grass seeds once daily for 2 weeks or until new centipede grass growth is visible through the fertilizer. Trim back trees and bushes to increase the amount of sunlight on the lawn.